So today we have more confirmation related to the Samsung Galaxy. Will Fold 6. Ice Universe share a new camera design picture, and according to him, new design, and doesn't say that it's necessarily going to be an upgraded camera. And the second thing, this is not a real image of the Z Fold 6 camera. Maybe Ice Universe, see the real thing, and then generate this pic with the help of AI. Now let's talk about the display of the phone. According to Ross Young, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 come with bigger display, also be much slimmer, but it won't support an S Pen. Right now, we have another news related to the Samsung Galaxy. A Fold 6 folding display. Ice Universe advises that according testers, the Z Fold 6 is going to reduce the creasing in the center of the display. And then we've also got another report from the L, and they say that Samsung's ultra-thin glass is going to be increasing from 30 microns all the way to 50 microns. Thick and some improvements in the durability. Next up, Ice Universe share the picture related to the Samsung Galaxy Fold 6. And this image shows you the top of the new smartphone, and it completely different design from the Z Fold 5 with a flatter display and sharper edges at the corners. It also shows us a wider cover screen than the Fold 5. And according to source Samsung, increased $100 price related to the Z Fold 6. And according to Tech Maniacs, the launch is not going to be on July 10 this, and it's actually going to be pushed back until July 24th. And the reason is because Samsung plans on sponsoring the Summer Olympics. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.